Anyone else spend basically the entire day at your desk? Let's make it a more enjoyable experience. I've gone through countless setups over the years, but one thing has always followed through them, and that's a big center screen. I never thought I would have a smart monitor as part of my setup, but it has been pretty life-changing. It's so easy to navigate between different devices with the remote, and you don't have to go through those horrible monitor menus that we've all struggled with. When I work, music is a huge part of it, and for that I have two solutions. First, my DT990 Pro headset. The sound isolation on these is great, and the open back makes it easier to hear things around me. And when I need a little bit more punch, I shift over to my transparent loudspeaker. This was super pricey, but I love the look out of it, and the sound is really good. Once work is done, I toggle over to my PC. I built this system around a year ago now, and it has been great so far. Really overkill, but I do like to go all out when I build. The specs are on screen. Another really nice part of this monitor is it has a pretty decent set of speakers built into it, so when I'm not online with friends, it becomes a more chill experience where I do not need to wear my over-ear headphones. I've started to really like this experience. I know many people go really all out with their setups, but I do like to keep things pretty minimal and functional, and I think I struck a pretty good balance with this one. I hope you all enjoyed this tour, and maybe took a little bit away from me. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.